Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will explain one topic of the chapter set. That topic is complement of a set. Okay, complement of a set. Firstly, you should know the definition of complement of set. See, complement of set. I am starting from the example. This is a Venn diagram. That is a universal set. And this is the A. The circular portion is A. A contains 4 elements 1, 2, 3 and 4, and outside A the elements are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if this is called A, then outside A the remaining element of U is called A complement. Outside this set A, the remaining element of U is called A complement. That means if A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then complement of A means, that is the symbol of complement, A dash, or you can write A complement, A to the power C means U minus A. That means the remaining element of U except A. Means if you remove the element of A from U, you will get the A complement. That means U minus A. If you remove the element of A 1, 2, 3, 4 from U, the remaining element is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the A complement. Okay, some properties are there related complement, that are A union A dash. A means inside A dash means outside A. Complement means outside A. Inside A and outside A. If you take inside and outside all, that means you will get U. A dash, A union A dash is always U. Now inside A and outside A, no common element is there, that means 5. And these two are De Morgan law, we will verify. Okay, this is called De Morgan law. A union B dash. If you want to open the bracket, then union become intersection. And similarly, if you want to open the bracket, then intersection become union. Okay, that two are called, 3 and 4 are called De Morgan law. De Morgan's law, that is very important law. We will verify after some time. Now number 5, A complement means outside of A, and complement of outside A is inside A. After taking complement of A, we will get outside of A, and if we take the complement of outside A, we will get A only. That means A complement of complement means A. And say 5 is empty. The complement of empty set, outside of empty set means whole set, that is U, and outside of whole set means empty set, that means 5. That means U is the universal set, that means whole set, and 5 is empty set, means no element is there. That means complement of 5 is U and complement of U is 5. Now come to one problem from the exercise 1.5. In the exercise 1.5, one problem is question number 4. If U is this, A is this, B is this, verify that A union B dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. That means this is the De Morgan law. It is the problem related, the verification of De Morgan law. A union B dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. That is the verification of De Morgan's law. First we have to do the left hand side. A union B dash. Dash keep it outside, no problem. A union B. A is 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Union means what? First you have to take the common element once, then remaining element 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. Now this set complement means U minus this set. Then remove this much element from U. If you remove this much element from U, what is the remaining element? 1 and 9. See, 1 and 9 is A union B dash complement. Now start from right hand side. A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. A dash means U minus A intersection, B dash means U minus B. U minus A. Remove the element of A from U. What is the remaining? Remove the element of A from U. That means remove 2, 4, 6, 8 from here. What is the remaining? Remainings are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 intersection. Remove the element of B from U. Remove the element of B. Remove this 4 element from U. What is the remaining? 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now this set intersection this set. What are the common element? 1 common, 9 common. 1 and 9. That means left hand side and right hand side equal. Therefore, the De Morgan's law verified. Okay. Similarly, question number 7. See, some question are there. Already we discussed number 1, A union A dash. Inside element of A and outside element of A, their union is U only, universal set. And inside element and outside element, their intersection is phi only. Because inside A and outside A, no common element is there. Therefore, phi only. Now, phi dash intersection A. Phi dash means what? Phi dash means U intersection A. From whole set, if you intersect A, that means common element is A only. Whole set, intersection any set is that set only. And U dash means phi. Phi intersection A means phi only. With empty set, intersection of any set is phi only. Phi. Okay. Thank you everyone.